Get ready to meet the beast on four wheels. Hennessey is back with a monstrous creation, the Venom 775. Hennessey, the Texas-based high-performance vehicle creator, has unleashed its updated Venom 775. And this time, they've transformed a Ford F-150 into an absolute powerhouse. The Venom 775 takes a standard Ford F-150 and turns it into a supercharged V8 marvel, boasting more horsepower and torque than even the factory Ram TRX and Ford Raptor R. In its stock form, the Ford F-150 with the 5.0-liter V8 offers 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. But Hennessey's expert technicians work their magic. They bolt on a massive 3.0-liter supercharger, add an air-to-water intercooler, and upgrade the fuel system and injectors. The result? A staggering 775 horsepower and 727 pound-feet of torque. That's a 94% increase in power and a 77% increase in torque. The performance is jaw-dropping. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, and it tears through the quarter mile in a mere 11.9 seconds. But it's not just about raw power. Hennessey adds a 6-inch lift, massive 20-inch Hennessey alloy wheels, and 35-inch off-road tires, making this beast equally at home off the road. The suspension is upgraded, multi-piston Brembo brakes with red calipers are added, and both the front and rear bumpers bear the Hennessey Venom signature. And let's not forget the interior, with embroidered Hennessey head restraints and unique Venom 775 badging. Even the front badge and fender vents light up for that extra touch of distinction. So, if you're looking for a pickup truck that's not just powerful but an absolute powerhouse, the Hennessey Venom 775 might be your dream ride. Hennessey, making fast cars faster for over 30 years, has once again delivered something extraordinary. The Venom 775 is a truck like no other. Prepare to be thrilled. The Venom 775 has arrived.